Both GetResponse and Mailblaze are email marketing platforms, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's break down their features, pricing, and usability to help you decide which is best for you. GetResponse offers a robust suite of features including email marketing, landing page creation, marketing automation, webinars, and sales funnels. It's a good all-in-one solution for businesses looking to manage their entire marketing funnel. Mailblaze focuses primarily on email marketing with features like email creation, segmentation, autoresponders, and basic analytics. It's a simpler option ideal for beginners or those with straightforward email marketing needs. GetResponse pricing varies based on subscriber list size, starting from around $15 per month for a basic plan. Mailblaze offers a free trial for up to 1,000 subscribers, with paid plans starting around $10 per month for larger lists. The interface of GetResponse is comprehensive, but it can have a bit of a learning curve for new users due to the sheer number of features. The interface of Mailblaze is known for being very user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to get started with email marketing. What I really like about Mailblaze is that it has a very intuitive user interface and affordable prices, which makes it perfect for beginners. It's a great option if you're just starting out with email marketing and don't need a lot of bells and whistles. However, GetResponse offers a wider range of features, making it a good choice for businesses that need more advanced marketing automation, webinars, and sales funnels. If you're a small business or solopreneur, Mailblaze's affordability and user-friendly interface might be a good fit. For larger businesses with complex marketing needs, GetResponse offers more scalability. Consider your budget and whether the features offered by each platform justify the cost. Mailblaze has a free trial and generally more affordable pricing for smaller lists. By considering these factors, you can choose the email marketing tool that best suits your needs and helps you achieve your marketing goals. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Mailblaze and GetResponse for free.